Hey guys, it's Jeff Jones in another great video from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. We also have just recently started another website called thestreammachines.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And in this video, we're going to take a look at one of the best screensaver applications that I love and have learned to love over the few years. It's called Aeiral Dream, and you could put it on your firestick and any Android device or any of your streaming devices. Hey, if this is your first time to the Stream Machines YouTube, thank you for being here. The Stream Machines YouTube, at Stream Machines, we take the difficult things in streaming and make them simple for you, one video at a time, empowering you to be the best streamer you're going to be. So let's take a look at Aeiral Dream and what that does, and I'll give you an example of what it is because it's already on my device. Majority of this stuff can be found in the Google Play Store, so let me go ahead and open up the Google Play Store with my voice. This is the power of the Formula GTV. It's one of the most powerful Android TV devices. It is my personal favorite, so I'm a little biased, so let's do this together. Open Google Play Store. Here I am trying to show off, and it didn't launch the Google Play Store. So let me do it the regular way, I guess. Let me go here and do that. So let it go ahead and open. This is what I call the best companion for any Android device. And I'll move this over, and let's do this. Aeiral Dream. And there it is there. As you can see, you have Aeiral Dream. Let me click on that. It says, please note Aeiral Dream's videos, it constantly and will consume large amounts of bandwidth. Do not install on devices with limited network connectivity. Okay. And it tells you exactly that currently the display videos are exact used by Apple TV. Though the videos are relatively small, it is still recommended that you have an appropriate internet plan. So you need to have these things all set up. It's all here. We got the latest update, the current version, and it's on 4.2. So it's already here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up because it's already on my device. And you can pick your video sources. So you got 2015 Apple TV random, 2017 Apple TV. Let's go 2021 Apple TV. And I got to show the clock, I show the location, all that, and I show it in progress. So I'm going to go this one here, and I'm going to go full HD, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and test the settings. So after a certain amount of time, and I'll look at the settings, when my screen times out, these views will begin to come into play. And I just like them. I absolutely do. Sometimes you'll get some where people are walking around, cars on the freeway. They're just random, and they're all over the world, from jellyfish to Hawaii to sharks. It is just something to behold, and how these aerial views are awesome. Now, I've had these on other devices that I've had, whether they've been stock Android devices in the past, and I really love when someone put something together with the aerial views. So I was very, very ecstatic that I could get this from the Google Play Store and put it on all my devices. Now I put it on my Android TV devices. I have some devices that I've tested that just didn't have enough memory. Remember, you gotta have a great internet connection, and you should have sufficient memory. So if you're looking to do that, you can try it on your devices. It's really up to you. I know some of our 4K firestick users are doing that, and they're loving it. It just breaks up the monotony of watching something or setting up something, or you're doing something while you're in between changing channels and your favorite sporting event. It's always cool to have something like this. And I'm just going to keep talking here until it changes one more time. So you can see how that works. So this is the actual view of San Francisco. You got the bay over there. You see the city in the further ahead. It looks like it's a very foggy time in San Francisco. So this is 2021 actually. I think everyone was inside because of COVID-19, but that's just me. So this is really easy to add. You just got to have the Google Play Store. You can search for Aeiral Dreams, and then you can install this on your devices. So if your device is able to have Downloader or get the Google Play Store, you can definitely have it. If you already have the Amazon Fire Stick or, you know, an Apple TV, you probably already have access to it. So that's pretty cool there. All right. As you can see, it must be a drone going across the city, and I think that's pretty neat off the top. So I just wanted to show this really cool application. It's very easy to get. As I said, if you're able to get to the Google Play Store like I did in the beginning of this video, and you can search for Aeiral Dreams, you can install it and enjoy it. Or if you don't like it, you can always just take it off your device, and your device, no harm, no foul, nothing wrong with that. And I think it's just going to benefit you guys to have that. Now, speaking of changes, as we head into October, it's the first week of October. You know, guys, we got less than 90 days before the end of the year. And if you're looking for great gifts, I have great gift ideas. I'm giving the gift of TV. Hey, connect with me, text us. We have some fantastic deals every weekend. We're giving, you know, percentages from 15% to up to 50% off, depending on what device. So at the end of this video on YouTube, in the description, go ahead and text us if you're interested, and just we can strike up a conversation. Let us find out what your family member or yourself are looking for, and we can give you a great price on different things, like some media devices, one called 8-Ball Live. I have a device where you can try before you buy. That's really starting to take off, where people put down $60 and they get a 30-day trial of it. If they don't like it, they send it back. We give you your money back. If you do, you pay another 3 payments or 2.5 payments of $60, and it's paid off. Some people are having some struggles financially, and we want to make it easy for anyone to get legal live TV, sports, and all that streaming from the internet streaming services. So you've seen that this works. Go ahead and search for Aeiral Dream. Connect, and text us if you're interested in the try before you buy or any of our Christmas specials up to 50%. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you in the next video.